Hi traders, it's John here. Welcome to this midweek focus. One interesting week so far. Before we look at some of the positions, just remember what the watch list is that we were looking at. On the beginning of the week, we kind of set up this update, and we're looking at Aussie CAD, Pound CAD to the short side, whilst managing on New Zealand CAD positions to the short side as well. Looking to trying to get long on the US dollar, and had a surprise interest rate hike from the Bank of Canada today, which helped Aussie CAD, Pound CAD push lower and hit our target prices, as well as New Zealand CAD further lower as well. And we've initiated some long US dollar yen positions. And crude oil also going quite nicely. A couple of other things as well. I know some of the other members have received in terms of trades that we're running. Currently long on dollar yen, adding into some positions to the upside, really trying to get the market up until this resistance level at the top. Of course, that's a big ask. We'll be looking to profit take midway, probably around the kind of 112 area. Okay, take some profits off and try and let the rest run as we trade inside this consolidation. So we'll see how that one develops. With Aussie CAD's kind of already hit target actually with the trade that we sent out. So we were looking to short this based on our analysis over the weekend, and we actually got short here on the 4-hour chart. Let's move this. Actually got short here on the 4-hour chart and just kind of running that to the downside. So that's just one position. Pound CAD as well, something we were looking at on the weekly watch list, moving lower quite nicely. And again, has come into the first level of support. Is there potential for the market to push even lower than that and pull back down to these all-time low points? Certainly could be. Brexit negotiations starting up again. Could cause some weakness in the British pound, so that is certainly one to keep an eye out on. And we're just managing other positions. We've been shorting dollar Sing for quite some time as well. I know a couple of traders are still in this. We're taking a lot of profits off the table on some of these US dollar pairs as we are positioning ourselves for a dollar rally. So dollar Sing trade we're in from here to the short side, just taking some profits off the table there. And the same with dollar ZAR as well. Even though it's broken outside of this consolidation here, still looking to hold a little bit of profit in this. Okay, so let's see how this one develops. For now, indices certainly looking quite interesting, and we're looking at the German 30. We can see on the weekly chart we put in this nice reversal here. So we put in this nice reversal rejection, and we're just looking for further upside on the German 30. Of course, stock market targeting around these high points, but we'll be looking to scale out some profits and maybe even scale into the trade as it pushes higher if we get a continual push to the upside in the DAX. Same thing with the France 40 as well, moving up into that area of resistance. So where are we? So moving up nicely here on France 40, so just looking for further upside. Now, one of the key things with some of these positions, it's an interesting one because I had a question from a couple of members, which one do you take on your income-based account, the shorter-term ones, or which ones do you leave, or which one do you take on your swing trading account for the longer-term trades? And quite honestly, there's no real science to it. Something like the German 30, I like to take on the income-based account. The spread's just a little bit lower. France 40, not as actively traded, so I'll use that as more for longer term play. So each to their own really, but certainly some key things to be focusing on this week. So I'll leave that with you for now, ladies and gents. Of course, current members, watch out for a few more trading updates in regards to the trades that we're already in and managing, so our long gold, silver, platinum positions. Aussie CAD's already hit target. Dollar yen running to the upside. New Zealand dollar, New Zealand yen running to the downside. New Zealand yen, we've covered some of those short positions at those support levels. New Zealand dollar against the US, we've actually initiated a new short position. Okay, and some of these stocks were just still running for the longer term move. So pretty good week so far. Let's see how the week ends. Of course, ECB conference on Thursday, sure to add a little bit of volatility into the market. This is John from Trader Profits, and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye for now.